Alright, Jerry Service Center here again. So we're scrapping a Ford Ranger. So working vehicle, good. If you need any parts, it's a 2.2 manual. So give us a call. Lights, bumpers, engine, gearbox. Cut off and start back. Alright, so we got enough and we can start back. Right, starting good. Right, drive off. Let me just see how the back. Right, so okay, so we just take a look at the engine. Right, engine, no oil leaks. Everything good. All the parts inside intact. So, right, all the window switches, steering console, steering, all the handles, seats. Okay, so anything needed on the vehicle, give us a call. Jerry Service Center, 730-9449 or 671-0713. Ford Ranger 2.2 2012 onward, scrapping for parts.